Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you all are doing well as I am doing. So today is another day of learning spoken English. You know why we can't speak English very well after many months of practice, after a lot of practice. We are doing practice every day. We are listening English, we are reading books, we are watching movies, listening podcasts and speaking with practice partners even, but still why we are not improving, why we are not becoming fluent in spoken English? Just one thing, that is we are not confident. How we can become confident? We can become confident by doing more practice every day. We have to think about that we are learning, we are improving, we are we need to do more practice. That is the point where we are lacking, right? So the one thing I have realized, that is how to use our subconscious mind. You know, we have two parts of our mind, that is conscious and subconscious. The whole day when we are awakened, then our subconscious mind works, and uh, at the time of our waking up, our conscious mind works when we are waking, right? But when we are not waking up, when we are sleeping, then our subconscious mind also working. It means our subconscious mind works 24 hours a day. So if we want to learn anything in a speedy way or in dedicated, if we have a goal to complete, if we have any set priority, so uh, we have to indicate about that thing to our subconscious mind. How we can indicate about that thing to our subconscious mind? Just what I realized, that when we are going to sleep, when we are going to bed, recall about that thing, remind that thing, recite that thing in your mind. And when you are going to sleep, recite that thing in your mind and going and sleep in that motion only. Understood? It means you are thinking about that when you are going to sleep, but nothing should be going on in your mind, nothing should be running in your mind without it. It means, as I am learning spoken English, so when I am going to sleep, only learning spoken English is running in my mind, and in that situation, in that phase, I am sleeping, and when I am waking up, I realize that I am still thinking in English. I am waking in the motion of spoken English, thinking in English, right? So this is the very most important thing you can take care about. If you are thinking anything when you are going to sleep, that thing most of the time goes in your subconscious mind, right? And one other thing I realized today, that why, you know, if you open YouTube and if you watch 10 videos over whole the day, so most of the time it happens that we watch 4 to 5 videos of just one creator, and another 5 to 6 videos are just random creators, not from the common creator. How it happens, why it happens that we see 4 to 5 videos from only one creator? Because that is one most important skill behind that. We have to analyze that, and even I realized it only today, that is storytelling. You know, why we like any movie, why we like any story, any film, any drama? That is storytelling behind that, our uh, why we like that, right? So yeah, this is, you just start watching video but you don't know the time surpassing, and you just stop watching video when video ends. You don't take care about the running time of video. You are spending time on that video. You just have dived deep into that video, into that content. This is the skill called storytelling, script writing, content creation. This is called the professional content creation. What we are doing is not called content creation. We are just doing practice. We are just making for ourselves. But content creation is like absolutely a business. It is a complete business, not just uh, random things, not just time pass. This is a real business, content creation. We have to invest our time in the starting phase, and then we have to put our money, even we have to put everything when are completely involved in this, right? So analyze these things, observe these things, that why you start watching one video and watch that video till the end, until that video stops. You don't take care about the time. And in some videos, when you start watching that, you suddenly immediately you stop watching that video, because there is no script writing, no practice, no storytelling behind that video, that content. So the storytelling is also comes in the part of selling. Every person who is creating something, it is simultaneously selling. And the rich people who are rich in even any means, they are selling something directly or indirectly. So observe these things. If you want to be successful, if you want to be uh, rich, so we need to learn, and we need to learn selling that, learning how to sell that, right? So that's it for today. And I think I am not going to get much more time for learning spoken English, but I will just share something about short learnings every day. And let's say what happens in coming videos. And I will also make sure that I will make videos continuously. It is increasing my commitment for spoken English. And yes, make it happen, and best of luck, guys.